Hi, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about the boat that capsized in Jamaica recently. And it says 2 women have been confirmed dead after the boat in which they were traveling capsized between Port Royal and Lime Clay on Thursday. The deceased have not yet been identified. They were among 13 people on the vessel heading towards Lime Clay from Port Royal sometime around midday when it overturned. Marine police said they received a distress call and with the assistance of members of the Jamaica Defense Force Coast Guard were able to rescue a number of persons. We are able to respond and pull a number of persons who have fallen overboard to safety, one officer from the Marine Police Division told Loop News. The 11 other passengers were taken to Kingston Public Hospital for treatment. And if you guys don't realize, 2018 Christmas New Year has been very tumultuous, okay? Very, very tumultuous. Christmas Day, 2 people died in a car accident. One person even lost their house. 2 people died in Hanover a day after Christmas. Like, it's very tumultuous and a lot of killings have been happening, and we kind of predicted this and knew that this would happen, but it's very hard to sit back and watch it happen. So please be safe, please be careful, and keep your family and yourself safe. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.